When the people called out your name louder than mine, you see, when they saw you as a god, how long before they saw you as their king?
I wanted nothing!
Precisely! Your sin, Hercules, was that you had no ambition! I can deal with an ambitious man, he can be bought, but a man who wants nothing has no price.
Killing you would have turned Athens against me. I had to ruin your name.
My wife! My children!
You have our permission to join them in death. All of you. Starting with my faithless daughter.
He's your own flesh and blood!
I will raise Arius to be my worthy successor.
You stay away from my boy! You monster! You bastard! You are a monster!
No!
You are not a man! You are thief!
Who are you?
Stop!
Are you a murderer?
Damn you! I curse you!
Are you a mercenary who turns his back on the innocent?
Stay away from my son!
Are you only the legend? Or are you the truth behind the legend?
No! Father, please, please, please!
We believe in you. We have faith in you. Have faith in yourself. Remember the man that you are.
Father, the gods will punish you! You cannot escape us!
Remember the deeds you have performed, the labors you have accomplished.
No! No! Stop it!
Now, tell me, who are